2-minute video. That will not provide the context necessary for the understanding of what occurred during that night on November 23.
Your Honor, sorry, I will not even reply to that, Your Honor, please.
Sa kasaysayan ng ating republika, walang vice presidente na may kaibigan na hitman na nagpapapatay ng Pangulo. Ngayon lang. The prosecution asks only this. Look at the evidence. Listen to the witnesses.
This is not the first time that members of the House of Representatives have attempted to remove the Vice President and in a manner not compliant with the Constitution. Sa gitna ng pagtatangkang ikondisyon ang kaisipan sa lahat, ang anumang paglilitis ay kailangang naayon sa itinatakda ng ating batas at konstitusyon at hindi lamang sa kagustuhan ng iilang may hawak ng kapangyarihan.
Chair notes the entry of appearances for respondent Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Council respondent will kindly make any comments and avoid asking.
The first witness for the prosecution in the person of NBI senior agent. He is well-trained, having undergone extensive training in the field, making him competent.
I was trained for 2 weeks intensive training.
2 weeks of intensive training. Reminder.
That was allegedly hired by the Vice President.
No, sir.
Did you really investigate this case?
Your
Withdrawn,
Honor,
Your Honor.
argumentative,
Withdrawn.
Your Honor, please.
Withdrawn.
Did you really investigate this?
Because I promised I would declare a break somewhere in between, depending on how long your Director Rick Ross will be. I can call the break after the Rick Ross and the statement of the Council correspondent. So we break on a good
Okay.
Done. Instead of this, Your Honor, may I ask that the Honorable Court direct the witness to allow me to object before answering? Because precisely the questioning of the prosecutor, there are many pauses, which it's confusing if he's done or not.
Maybe it's the tone. No? I'll be quick. What particular statements of the Vice President on that day did you investigate?
Objection, Your Honor. Vague. Objection, Your Honor.
Gwapo ni attorney, oh. Mga ano ni VP Sara. Tatalino, ang gagwapo, ang gaganda. Fresh pa sila eh. Yung attorney ng kabila, ewan. Tulo sipon, tulo laway.